Jiran participle best 4. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel so that you can get all the videos easily. Okay, let's get started the video. At first, you have to know what is gerund and participle. Gerund. A gerund is a verb. A gerund is a verb in its present participle form. Root verb plus ing. Root verb plus ing. That acts as a noun in a sentence. Walking is a good exercise. Walking is a good exercise. Walking is gerund or part it is gerund. Why it is gerund? You replace it instead of ing form. Ing form here is walking. So you replace here it. You replace here it. It is exercise. It is a good exercise. It is also a meaningful sentence. After replacing it instead of walking, it is meaningful. That is why it is gerund. Okay. Now participle. Participle. A participle is the form. A participle is the form of verb that is used as either an adjective or a part of another verb tense, like the perfect or continuous tenses. A barking dog seldom bites. A barking dog seldom bites. Here barking is gerund or participle. Barking is not gerund. Barking is not gerund. It is participle. It is participle. You replace it instead of ing form. If it is not meaningful, it is a barking dog. A eat dog sentence. But a bird bites, it is meaningful. But a eat dog seldom bites, it is not meaningful. That is why it is not gerund. It is participle. It is not gerund. It is participle. Okay. Another trick. After ing form, you can see a noun. After ing form, you can see a noun. It means barking dog. After barking, you can see dog. Here dog is noun. Here dog is noun. That is why it is participle. Because participle works like an adjective. Participle works like an adjective. Exercise for practice. I saw a flying bird. I saw a flying bird. Gerund or participle. It is not gerund, it is participle. Because after flying, you can see participle. After rolling, you can see stone. That is noun. And that is why it is participle. It is not gerund. Taking money, he went away. Taking money, here taking is gerund or participle. It is not gerund, it is participle. Because here money is noun. That is why it is not gerund, it is participle. Swimming is a good exercise. Here swimming is gerund or participle. It is not participle. It is not participle, it is gerund. Why it is gerund? Instead of swimming, you just replace it. If it is meaningful, you can call it gerund, not participle. A good exercise, it is meaningful. It is a good exercise, it is also meaningful. That is why it is not participle, it is gerund. Okay? Okay. He loves gardening. He loves gardening. Here, gardening is not participle, it is gerund. because he loves it. Instead of gardening, you just replace it. If it is meaningful, it is gerund. He loves it. It is meaningful sentence. I saw him going. I saw him going. I saw him going. Instead of going, you just replace it. It is not meaningful. I saw him eat. It is not a meaningful sentence. That is why it is not gerund. It is participle. Having meal, he went away. Here, meal is a noun. That is why it is not gerund. It is participle. Learning English, you can go a long way. Learning English. After learning, you can see English. That is noun. That is why it is participle, not gerund. A drowning man catches at a straw. Drowning. After drowning, you can see man. That is noun. That is why it is participle. It is not gerund. Teaching is a noble virtue. Teaching is a noble virtue. Instead of teaching, just replace it. It is a noble virtue. Teaching is a noble virtue. It is meaningful sentence. It is a noble virtue. It is also a meaningful sentence. That is why it is not participle. That is why it is gerund.